Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be diving into the LG S40TR, which is a 4.1 channel home theater soundbar system that promises cinematic surround sound, wireless rear speakers, and deep bass performance, all without the complicated installation. But the question here is it actually the best home theater upgrade for 2026? Let's break it down in today's video. And if you want to check the latest pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description box below. So first, let's talk about the setup. So the LG S40TR 4.1 channel configuration with wireless rear speaker and a wireless subwoofer, which means less cable clutter and a cleaner look. Pairing and syncing, especially with the LG TVs, is very smooth and straightforward. Performance is where this system really shines. Thanks to the Dolby audio and DTS compatibility, movies and the TV shows feel immersive and room filling. The rear sound speakers create a genuine surround effect, not just simulated audio. That's a big deal at this price point. The wireless subwoofer delivers the deep, punchy bass without drowning out the dialogues, something many budget soundbars struggles with. Explosions hit hard, but the conversations remain clear. So there is also Clear Voice Plus designed to enhance the dialogue clarity. It is going to help, but in fast-paced action scenes, the mid-range frequencies can feel slightly underpowered. It is also a deal breaker, but the audiophiles might notice it. The build quality is also very solid. The metal grille design feels very premium and protects against the dust, while the overall aesthetic blends into the modern setups. The WOW interface is another convenience bonus, allowing you to control the soundbar directly from the LG TV remote. So if you want an affordable, easy to install home theater system that delivers the immersive surround sound without running the wires across your room, this can be a strong contender. It's especially great for the medium to large living rooms focused on the movies and TVs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to check this product out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.